You cannot tell me this is not Starbucks, y'all. So one thing that I really love is a Starbucks drink. And my favorite drink is right here. Grande Vanilla Sweet Cream Cold Brew, 2 pumps white mocha, caramel drizzle with whipped cream. This is my go-to at Starbucks. So good. I get it every time. And when I can't get it at Starbucks, I make my version at home. And that's what I'm showing you today. So my Starbucks. Oh my God. Since I'm not at Starbucks right now, I don't plan on going to Starbucks right now. I'm gonna save some money. I'm gonna make it at home and I'm gonna show you how to make it too. It is so delicious, y'all. Seriously, you need to try this. So all you need, basically, caramel sauce, cold brew. This is what I prefer, but I'm pretty sure you can use anything. Whipped cream and French vanilla. And of course, you're gonna need a cup and a straw. Starbucks. I'm just trying to be my own barista today. So you know how Starbucks do with the little caramel drizzle on the cup? That's what we're gonna do. Drizzle. Just gonna add some ice. So this is the amount of ice that I used, about 2/3 of the way. Yummy. Once you get your ice and your caramel in, you're going to add your iced coffee, your cold brew. I'm just gonna put my cold brew in there. Oh my God, I'm so excited already. It's almost done. I might as well put the whole thing. Yeah. I'm gonna pour some French vanilla in there. And I don't like too much. I think that's a good amount. I love that color change. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with this drink. You shake up your whipped cream. Get into this. Oh my God. Okay, more of the drizzle and just drizzle it on top, just like, oh yeah, baby. You cannot tell me this is not a Starbucks drink, y'all. I promise you, it tastes as good as it looks. Yes, this is it, y'all. Let me know if you try this recipe or if you have any other Starbucks recipes that you would like me to try. I'm down. That's a wrap. First video down. So y'all, please show me some love. Like, subscribe, comment, anything. And I love y'all. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you soon.